Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the display ad problems in this device. So the first step, go to settings and scroll down, tap on the password and security, then tap on privacy, again scroll down, tap on ad service, turn off this option, and the next one go back, tap on usage and diagnosis, turn off this one, go back under password and security, tap on authorization and revocation, just turn off this MSA, just wait for few seconds. Tap on revoke. Okay, so in this way you can fix that ad problems in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.